Welcome back to my channel, that is Tech Karuna, and today let's explore how to do jigsaw puzzle in Canva. Just like this. So without wasting time, log into Canva, open a blank template and add on the image you want to create as a puzzle and enlarge it, fit to the frame, and then open the apps and find out the app, that is Jigsaw Puzzle. So when you type in for searching, you'll get the app, open it. Now, this interface is so simple. You can change the random to highest and lowest. You can change the tab size also to highest and lowest. You can maximize and minimize the jitter and also go to advanced settings wherein you can thicken or make the line thinner also, and then you can add or minus the tab numbers also. If you want 5 into 5, you can do that. 10 into 10, that also you can do that. And finally you can change the color of the grid as well, then add it to the design, enlarge it, fit to the frame, and now you've got your jigsaw puzzle ready. Now go print out, take the printout and cut out, and your jigsaw puzzle is exactly ready. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.